Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Artisan Knives Tomahawk. This is a really interesting frame lock knife. It's quite unique. It kind of reminds me of the VDK Impaler, but just a slightly more organic shape to it. Anywho, the overall length is 8.875 inches, blade length of 3.875 inches, and it is Bowler M390. So that's going to stay sharp for a very, very long time. Really nice stuff. I would call this kind of like a cleaver blade shape. They have it listed as a wharncliffe, but you know, it just looks like a cleaver. It's really cool looking. Handle length of 5 inches, and it is titanium for this handle. And there you can see on the back they've printed their company name, Artisan Cutlery. The frame lock does have a insert there, stainless steel insert. So if it ever wears out, it's easily replaced. You won't have to replace the entire scale. Nice feature. Like I said, they are titanium handles, and you do have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. Looks like you can do left-handed carry as well. You've got that hole filler right there. So the overall weight on this guy is 5.12 ounces. Here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. And guys, go ahead and check it out at bladehq.com. This is the Artisan Tomahawk.